What's good, guys? It's ABFX and you're welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly use Forex Factory so you're able to guide your trades and know what you're looking for in the market based on the fundamentals. So the first thing you need to do is to set your Forex Factory to show you only high impact news and bank holidays. And how you're going to do that is to come to the top right of your screen right here, then uncheck the medium impact and the low impact. Leave only the high impact and the holidays. And the reason for this is because for holidays, you want to know when there's a bank holiday because you don't want to be trading on such days because the market is just going to be slow. Nothing is going to be moving at all. So you want to know when there's a bank holiday. And then the high impact news, this is only what you need. This is pretty much what you need. I've been using Forex Factory like this for the past 2, 3 years. And trust me, I've never missed out on anything because I'm not looking at the medium impact or low impact. Because these don't even move the market for Jack. Like when these events happen, the medium and the low impact, even when they move the market, it doesn't really, disrupt your trading the way the high impact does, right? So once you uncheck the two, you can now apply the filter so that you only get to see the high impact events. So right now, after that, what you need to know is that the easiest way to use Forex Factory and the quickest way, you don't even need to understand what these events are. The ADP, non-farm employment change, CPI, BOE, government belly, but whatever. You don't even need to understand what these various events mean. You don't even need to really care. You don't care about what the previous word was, what the forecast is. The only thing you're going to be looking at is the actual, right? So after the news has been released, you come to the actual here. For instance, the first one, ADP non-farm employment change, you see the actual here is minus 33K. And the most important thing you're going to be looking out for is the color of the actual, right? So in this case, you see that this minus 33K is in red. So what it means is that it is affecting the dollar negatively, right? So this news is for the USD and the actual is minus 33K and you see that it's in red. It means that it is bad for the dollar. So it's going to affect the dollar negatively. So what it means is that the impact of this news on the dollar will be that the dollar will sell. The dollar will be in the negative, will be affected in the negative. So it's going to sell. Now, in the second one, in this case, CHF, CPI month on month, you now see that it's 0.2% and it's in green. So it means that this event is affecting CHF positively. It means it's affecting CHF, in a good way. It's good for CHF. So CHF is going to buy, right? So I hope this makes sense. It's very simple, actually. Red for sell, green for buy. Like red is bearish, green is bullish. So this one, from just glancing, you don't even need to really check and read plenty things. From glancing, you know that this news event was bearish for the dollar. From just a quick glance, you know that this news event is going to be bullish for CHF and so on and so forth. So that's a very easy way to look at, Forex Factory and be able to go on to do your analysis without even, reading so much about it. So, but in case you want to, go further, you will notice that if something is, well, not really, it doesn't need to be lesser or actual. You just know when it is red is bearish, when it is green is bullish. I'll just leave that for another video. I'll leave the further explanation for another video. So like I myself, I was looking at GBP card. Then I came to Forex Factory to take a look at what has been happening fundamentally on GBP card. So the first thing I saw was on Friday last week, GBP had a bearish, sentiment. For this GDP, it was minus 0.1%, and this affected GBP negatively, right? Then as for CAD, we have something here that is affecting CAD bullishly. Like CAD is going to be bullish. So it's very easy, It means that in this coming week, I should be looking for GBP card sales, right? So that's just how you can use Forex Factory to, augment or complement your analysis, your technical analysis. So for instance, this GBP card that I'm telling you. From the news event, I know that GBP card is, at least I'm expecting some bearish move. Then let's go to GBP card and see what it has been doing. So this is GBP card. Let's go to the daily. So of course you can see that GBP card on the daily on Friday, it was bearish. It was very bearish. So you now know that okay, the fundamentals didn't lie. You see how bearish it was on Friday. So moving into next week, because I know what the fundamentals say, I'm still gonna expect some bearish movement on GBP card, at least till it takes out this low. Then you can also as well be looking at, looking for more fundamental events that will come up and influence this pair. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys got value in this. If you did, don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers and God bless.